We will now clarify the meaning of an observer in relativity to avoid any confusion. So an observer is really an infinite number of clocks that are positioned everywhere in space, and these clocks are at rest and synchronized relative to each other in that particular frame. So the space-time coordinates of an event, being x, y, z, and t, are recorded by that particular clock at the location x, y, z of the event at the time t at which it occurs. So essentially, measurements are recorded throughout space-time, so they're basically local measurements, and these measurements are then collected and analyzed by the person running an experiment. So we can think of an observer as an experimenter who collects the measurements that are done in this manner. So each inertial frame has a set of recording clocks, which is another observer. And the relations between the space-time coordinates of a physical event measured by one observer is related to the space-time coordinates of the same event measured by another observer using the transformation equations. So in our case, these are the Lorentz transformation equations. So when we say things like moving clocks run slow, that means that a clock that's moving at a constant velocity relative to an inertial frame that contains synchronized clocks is found to run slow when it's timed by those clocks. So essentially one moving clock is timed by two stationary clocks which are synchronized. So recall that this clock had a fixed position of x prime in the primed frame, and using the Lorentz transformation we have delta t according to an observer in the unprimed frame is equal to the time interval measured by the observer in the primed frame on the square root of 1 minus the relative speed squared on the speed of light squared. So therefore, according to an observer in the primed frame, the moving clock runs slow compared to an observer in the unprimed frame, who measures a dilated time interval.